Hello YouTube, I'm Mr. Religion here and I'm back again with another video. So in this video I'm going to be doing Angel Di Maria's video. So basically it's breaking news literally at like half an hour ago. Manchester United confirmed the sale of Angel Di Maria. So let's get straight into it. Manchester United can confirm the sale of Angel Di Maria to Paris Saint-Germain is complete. The Argentina international was signed from Real Madrid for a British record transfer fee on 26th August 2014 and made 24 starts for the Reds, coming off the bench a further 8 times. The midfielder scored 4 goals in total, 3 times in the Barclays Premier League and a late FA Cup strike at Yeovil Town. After representing Argentina at the Copa America, he did not participate on Tour 2015 and was presented by Aeon, so his final appearance for the club came against Hull City when he was injured and withdrawn in the first half. Di Maria is now embarking on a new challenge and the club wishes him all the best for the future. So, the Snake has finally left Manchester United. The Snake was in the dressing room and basically no one could get the Snake out. But along came Laurent Blanc, the Snake Whisperer, and took the Snake out. As you can see, I really hate Di Maria. I loved him. I honestly loved him when he came to Manchester United. I was so over the moon when he signed him and everything. But, you know, a lot can happen within a year. Obviously, partly to blame the club, Van Gaal, but mostly is to blame Di Maria. He was too weak. He started off very brightly, to be honest, but he's become a snake. He's a coward, and as Roy Keane said, his wife controls his life. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but you know, Roy Keane was saying that. So you know, he's too weak for the Premier League. He can't handle the stature of Manchester United. He couldn't handle the pressure. So you know, he can go do one, to be honest, for all I care. I don't wish him all the best for Paris Saint-Germain. I don't. He can do what he wants. I don't really give a shit. Hopefully we face Paris Saint-Germain in the Champions League and we absolutely thrash them, because I want to do that. I want Angel Di Maria to get out, because he said he joined them to help them progress through the Champions League, because that's where they need to progress. But hopefully we get them in the, whenever we get them in Champions League, hopefully we get them and we beat them like 6-0 on aggregate. That's just my wish. And anyway, that's pretty much it. Di Maria is gone. It's confirmed by Manchester United. I'll leave the link to this site in the description below. I'm in the Manchester United's official site. I'll link that in the description below. And basically, please like, subscribe. See you later.